This is the Land Rover X in Eiger Grey. As you can see, it has satin chrome front and rear bumpers. It has upgraded 22-inch alloy wheels. The bonnet is unique to the X model. You also have an electrically deployable tow bar. This car also has 7 seats, as you can see here. Going inside the vehicle, you have ebony Windsor leather, illuminated tread plates, a sliding panoramic roof which can be controlled using these buttons here, cooler compartment to keep things cold, wireless charging. You also have a 3D surround camera and your mirror, which is also a camera. Sat nav, cruise control and a heated steering wheel, along with heated seats throughout the car, which are also memory in the front, a Meridian sound system. This car also has head-up display and blind spot assist. Stepping back outside the vehicle, you have a puddle light when you unlock and lock the vehicle. This is a flagship 3-litre 400 horsepower engine. If you're interested in this car, please ring 01785 211 31. Thank you.